Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials: Copilot installed, signed in, and inline suggestions enabled. Once done, open the file where you want help and write a one-line intent comment describing goal and constraints. Make sure to include language, framework, and any edge conditions. This primes suggestions and saves time. Then trigger the first suggestion with your key binding, review it quickly, and accept or iterate. You're now in control of meaningful, context-aware completions. Once you have a baseline suggestion, refine by giving Copilot concrete examples or small test cases inline. This trains the model on your desired output. Make sure to use multi-line prompts for behavioral constraints like time complexity or API usage. Cycle through alternatives when a suggestion is close but not perfect, editing code before re-requesting. This iterative loop, suggest, edit, re-request, turns rough drafts into production-ready code quick to finish. Write focused unit tests that validate the suggestion against your acceptance criteria and run them right away. This confirms behavior before merge. If Copilot's output is incorrect, don't waste time, expand the context block, add explicit examples, or rephrase constraints and request alternatives. Make sure to document the final choice in code comments. One troubleshooting tip: when responses drift, reduce file noise and provide a minimal reproducible snippet to restore accurate completions fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.